Okay, Shelby, let's take a look at your soft packaging redesign first. Now, I remember this. This is called a skein, Scene, I believe it is. It's a yarn skein. And it's the way that the reason they come like this is because it's the way that the loom actually weaves the yarn for packaging. Now, I do remember from my mom and my sisters, the first thing that they do is they take the yarn and they disassemble this and they turn it into a ball of yarn because apparently a ball of yarn is a lot easier to work with and it has less of the inherent problems that you mentioned in your writing. So I think, honestly, I think this is a great idea. Actually putting the ball in a bag, a nice soft package with this beautiful hang tag. I love this idea right here. I think it actually exceeds this idea here, although this is a great package too for wrapping the skein with the handle and also the ruler. But the thing is that we still have the problem of the skein of yarn becoming difficult to work with. So I really like this idea of putting the bag, the ball of yarn, the yarn already balled up. And I guess I asked my wife and she said they do come, some yarn packages do come already in a ball. So this is great. I think this is perfect. Soft packaging in the bag with this wonderful hang tag. I think you're in. It's a great idea. Okay, let's take a look at your classic package redesign. This is fantastic. I really think you've taken this to the next level. This is really fantastic. Your sketches are just so neat, clean. The craft is beautiful. You're showing intent clearly and visually showing intent. Then you back that up with your written rationale. So this is a fantastic job. As far as the repackage itself goes, it's wonderful. Your craft here is gorgeous. Your photographs are gorgeous. Everything here just really leads to a very, very well-developed concept, a very well-developed project, and a great idea. Good photograph, just great presentation, Shelby. This is fantastic. I couldn't ask for more from this project. Matter of fact, this is one of the better projects I've seen in terms of mock-up, idea, conceptual development, presentation, etc. Fantastic job. One thing I would recommend in your presentation is to see these little spaces between your images. Try to keep those consistent throughout. For example, take a look at these. The distance here, the distance here are not equal. Also, the distance between the top and bottom is less here than it is here. So try to keep that as consistent as you possibly can. That's a great shot. Love that shot. Action shot. We love to see that. Love to see it. The planogram itself is done beautifully, and I just really, I'm loving this project. This is tremendous work, and quite often it's said that as designers we get hired for our ideas just as much as our skill in design. And the idea here is an outstanding concept come to fruition through this wonderful presentation. So fantastic job in both the soft packaging as well as the classic package redesign. All right, great job. Thanks, Shelby.